Hello.
Hello,
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How have you been?
I'm good, thank you. How do you pronounce your name?
It's Ujwal.
Ujwal.
Yeah, Ujwal.
Ujwal. Okay, and where are you from, Ujwal?
I'm from India, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, very cool. Well, my name is Malachi. Can you say that?
Malachi, okay, that's great.
Very good. Yeah, and I am from the United States. But right now in this moment, I live in the country of Panama.
Panama is just like a nearby country.
It's kind of close to the United States. It's like 2,000 kilometers away. It's close to South America. Have you heard of South
Oh,
America before?
yeah, yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah, it's very close to South
Yeah,
America. So,
yeah, it is.
yeah. Well, tell me, where you live in India, is it really warm right now or really cold?
Actually, the temperature is not too warm. So
Okay.
yeah, just temperature is just norm. And
Uh-huh.
yeah, now it's easy to survive in this temperature
Uh-huh.
because I can take the sun bath nowadays. Yeah, so it's pretty good.
Nice, man. Nice. Let me show you a video real quick.
Yeah.
From my house in the United States, this was 2 days ago.
Oh my God, that's pretty well. I
Yeah,
love
it's
this.
really pretty. Yeah, have you ever seen snow before?
No, I haven't seen.
Oh
So that is why
man.
I see that. Because I love snow. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Well, in like northern India, it snows sometimes, right?
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes nowadays, I think the northern areas like the Himalayas areas, we can see snow easily. So
Hmm.
yeah, in that
Yeah.
area.
Up around Nepal, that area?
Yeah, yeah, on that area.
Okay, I see. And have you ever been to any country besides India?
No, I haven't.
Okay, I see. Well, if you could go to any country in the world right now, where would you go? Like, where would you visit?
Actually, I don't know more about the countries. Which country is better? Yeah,
Uh-huh.
for visiting. So, but in my bucket list, there are a lot of countries where I would like to go. Like first USA
Uh-huh.
and
Yeah.
Germany.
Uh-huh.
So, and this is a basic reason I would like to go because we are. I have a business, my own business. We are manufacturer of handicraft products. We sell our
Okay.
products in USA, Germany, and other countries. So this is the reason I would like to go there.
Okay, nice. And what did you say your business is? Like, what did you say you make there?
Yeah, we make handicraft products, which
Handicraft,
is made
like
by
tools?
stools.
Yeah, well, I'm wondering, like, what are okay, so handicraft products, what are they exactly? Like, give me some examples.
Yeah, like it may be the handicraft tray and balls and table lamps, hanging lamps. Yeah,
Okay.
and uh, I show you some pictures.
Yeah.
I was working on my laptop, so my laptop is open now.
Okay.
Like this one.
Okay, let's see here.
These are aluminum gold plated trays and balls.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
and this is the decorative
Okay,
elephants.
yeah, 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 like crafts. Okay, yeah. Handcraft. Okay,
Yeah,
I got you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I understand.
this, you know, we have
Okay.
products yeah, like this.
Yeah, so do you actually make them or do you just sell them?
We hired some laborers, and yeah, we hired some laborers, and the laborers make this.
Okay, and then you sell them.
Yeah, yeah, we sell them in international market.
Okay, and is this like a family business?
Yeah, actually, my father started this business, and like he's optimizing this business for since 2016 maybe.
Okay, I got you. Nice. And do you enjoy doing this?
Yeah, I enjoy a lot, but now I'm doing my graduation,
Okay.
so I'm not totally involved in the business. But yeah, I will involve in business after my graduation. Yeah,
Okay.
so I'll fully involve.
Nice.
But
And what
now
are you studying?
yeah, I'm doing BBA. It's a business course.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I'm doing bachelor degree. But now still I'm trying to how to increase my business, and there's another reason. that I joined Cambly, so I can find a agent who can help me to increase my sale. Like you are from USA right now, and maybe you know a lot of shopkeepers who sell this type of stuff.
Hmm. Oh, I
So
see.
yeah. So did you see?
So
Yeah.
here's the thing. My grandma actually used to sell crafts, but a very long time ago, like a long time ago. So I really don't know much about it. For example, my dad is a pharmacist. My mom was a teacher. My sister, she is kind of like she works with kids, and I'm a teacher. So I really don't know that much about it. But let me ask you this: do you ever have to speak in English in your business?
Yeah, yeah. It's must.
Okay, I
Yeah.
see. Yeah. Well, that's a good reason to have Cambly to be able to communicate with some clients, maybe, or whoever else you may have to communicate with.
That's the actual reason.
Hmm. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have two siblings, one of my brother and a sister.
Okay, and are they involved in the business as well?
My brother is not involved right now because he is doing his 10th grade. So yeah, his board exams about to come, and my
Uh,
sister is doing master degree. She's doing MBA. Oh, she's doing MA, Master of Arts. So
okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Is she an artist or?
Uh, she is not an artist, but here in India there is a name of degree MA, Master of Arts.
Uh-huh.
I don't know much about that. Yeah, so but she's not an artist. It's like master degree. There's such
Okay,
kind of
okay.
yeah.
I see. I gotcha. Yeah. Well, are they older than you or younger than you? Your brother and
Uh,
sister.
my brother is younger than me, and my sister is older, elder than me.
Okay, I gotcha. I gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Well, so tell me, what do you think is like your dream job? Like in the future, what is like the job that you want to have more than any other job?
Actually, I don't. I don't. I don't think about much about job because uh, I think a lot like I will not do job because I have my own business. So I'll help my father to increase this business, and if this
Yeah.
will increase, so no need to get a job. So business is enough to earn money.
Mm-hmm.
Because, where like this is a business, so this type of products there is a steady demand in America and Germany and a lot of countries. There is steady demand of this type of products.
Mm-hmm.
So, so a lot of quantity of products for export, like this type of product export from my city.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Because,
And what did you say your city was called again?
yeah, my city is called Muradabad. It's also known as Brass City. So all the type of brass products and aluminium products usually export from my city mostly.
Okay, I see. Yeah. And is that like in southern India, western, northern? Where is it exactly?
It is, I think, in western part.
Okay. Yeah, so are you
Yeah.
close to Mumbai in Western India?
Yeah. Mumbai is, I think, 2,000 kilometer. Yeah.
From where you live?
Yeah.
Okay, so you live a long ways from Mumbai.
Yeah. It's too long.
Okay, I gotcha. Yeah. Well, where would you say is like your most favorite place in India?
Actually, my favorite place in India, like Himalaya places, mountain places.
Yeah, okay.
Mountains, and I love, I love nature actually.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, every
Yeah, me too.
time. Oh, that's great. So yeah, every time I think that I should go in mountain areas, hilly areas. So basically, there's a state Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. My favorite is two. There's two states. There are two states which is my favorite: Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, because the nature is very beautiful of there. So yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Do you like animals?
yeah, I like animals and I have a dog.
You have a dog. Okay, and I was gonna ask you if you have any pets. Okay, tell me about your dog a little bit. Like how big is he or she? Is it a boy, girl? How old? Stuff like that.
Like he's a male dog, and he's I think 7. He's 7 year old,
Okay.
and he likes to do outing,
Uh-huh. He likes to go outside.
and
Okay.
he likes to eat. Uh, Actually, he do eat anything.
He'll eat anything.
Yeah. Fast food, junk food, or home meals. So yeah,
Oh my goodness. That's awesome, dude. And is he big or small?
dog.
Yeah, is he big or small?
It is not too big. It's just medium size. He's
Medium
7 years
size?
old. Yeah.
Yeah, and did you say what color he was?
He is a black color.
He's black. Okay, I gotcha. Yeah. And have you had him since he was really small, since he was a puppy?
Yeah, I I grabbed him, my dog. I think since 2018. I think.
Since 2018. Okay, yeah. So if he's 7 now,
Not
2018. So you
18.
got him when he was like 2 years old.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Do are pets very popular in India? Do a lot of people have pets?
Yeah, there are a lot of pupils who want to grab pets.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I don't know about such of pupils, but I love animals, and
Yeah.
sometimes yeah, and actually sometimes I really feed a lot of street dogs. Like yeah, so
That's
it's
nice, man.
I feed some biscuits and cookies. So,
Okay, yeah, yeah. Nice.
so do you love dogs?
Here no, I have well, I had a cat. I've had probably, let me think here. I don't know, I've had probably 6 or 7 dogs in my life, but they all died.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and my uh cat, his name was Chavez, and he disappeared, so we don't know where he is because our animals live outside in the United States. At least where I live, and yeah, usually disappear or die eventually.
It's really painful when the dog is about to die.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Well, unfortunately, usually what happens for us, we get hit on the road by a car.
oh my god.
Yeah, our house is very close to the road, and for that reason, right now we don't have any dogs in my house in the United States, because it's too dangerous.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, if it's dangerous for the dog, they run out in the road. So is what it is. But no, I love animals too.
Yeah, that's great.
Hmm. Have you ever had a cat before?
No, I haven't grabbed a cat before.
I haven't ever had one. Okay, do you want a cat or not really?
Not really, because I love dogs actually.
You like dogs better? Okay, I gotcha. Yeah,
And
I
it is my
like
dream
dogs and
to
cats.
yeah, and it is my dream to open an NGO for dogs, free NGO for
Hey,
street dogs
what for
basically.
dogs?
NGO.
In
It's it's a free
what is
service.
that exactly?
Yeah, it is a kind of free service of injured dogs.
Oh, okay, okay, I gotcha.
Yeah, whenever I will see any injured street dog, so I'll grab the dog and
Uh
start
huh.
to start to give medicines
Mm,
and to give treatment to the dog.
yeah. Well, have you ever thought about being a veterinarian?
Which area?
Yeah, a veterinarian in English is a person who, like, it's an animal doctor, or
Animal
sometimes we
doctor.
say just a vet, a
Okay.
veterinarian.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of time in vet area, and even in my city, I think there have 2 or 3 vet areas.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, once I joined a group which is from NGO.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, in that group, I could help the injured street dogs. If
Okay, that's nice, man. That's awesome. Yeah.
yeah,
Hey, Ujwal, I'm sorry to interrupt. Our time's about to end, but it was nice to meet
yeah,
you. Hope you have a good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, take care. Bye.
Take care.